Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, almost 2 years ago, I joined a company called LiveGood. Now, they're a network marketing / affiliate marketing opportunity in the health and wellness space. Now, when this company first came out, it had a lot of attention, right? Tons and tons of people joined this opportunity within the first few months because they were changing the game in regards to like network marketing, right? Where normally when you hear about network marketing companies like Advocare or Herbalife, things like that from years ago, it usually has a bad stigma behind it, right? When you think of those types of companies, you think of like scammy type overpriced products, right? People just trying to like trick you and all that to get involved with the company and spend a shit ton of money. So what made LiveGood different was they came out with their business model being a membership based, right? So you just pay $10 a month as a LiveGood member and you're going to get access to their products at a very, very discounted price, right? So when the company first came out, they had maybe like 20 products, right? So I'm into the whole network marketing, affiliate marketing. I got a whole nother channel talking about how to make money online, right? So I was instantly attracted to it, but I wasn't really sold on it at first, right? Because I'm like, once again, it's tons of health and wellness opportunities out there, right? But the guy who actually got me into the company, he basically let me know like, yo, bro, this shit different. This ain't your ordinary average opportunity. Like, this is different, right? So I ultimately joined LiveGood, right? And it's almost 2 years later. I ain't gonna lie, LiveGood is the shit, right? So what makes LiveGood so dope in my opinion? Because they're actually living up to the hype. Because when they first came out, they made all these promises like, oh, we're gonna have the best products, the highest quality, the lowest prices. We're gonna have all that, right? And we're gonna keep our membership at $10. All right, $10. We're gonna do that. You know, we're gonna have all this marketing material for those that want to make money with us. We gonna be innovative, all of that, right? So, you know, I was like, hey, they got some big ass promises, but are they actually gonna live up to the hype? And so far, they have, right? So it's been almost 2 years, and I'm doing this video because I'm like, I'm really trying to take the LiveGood business to the next level, right? Like, I believe this is a dope ass opportunity for anybody who's into the whole fitness, health and wellness, supplements, better living, all of that. I think anybody who is into that should definitely be a part of LiveGood, because as somebody who's been in fitness for damn near 30 years, like, I can say like, this is a legit ass strong company that I feel is going to be around for a long, long time. All right. So in 2 years, I'm still making money with LiveGood. Like, I think that's what sparked this video, because I just got paid a few days ago, and I'm like, damn, you know what I mean? What I didn't think about, I'm like, LiveGood is, you know what I'm saying? Like, LiveGood really doing what they said they was gonna do. And I was just on a webinar a couple days ago, and like, they got some dope ass products coming out in the next few weeks, right? I'm actually looking forward to trying. They're coming out with a sleep gummy, right? If you know anything about me on this channel, you know I love finding products to help me sleep better. Now, I've been taking the LiveGood magnesium product for damn near 2 years, and you can watch a review on it. Like, I love that product. LiveGood's magnesium product is the shit. Point blank, period. Like, that's my must-have supplement. I take that every night. But they're coming out with a sleep gummy, which I'm definitely gonna try. And they're also coming out with a liver support product. I think that's coming out like in a month or two. I've been making money with LiveGood pretty much the whole time I've been involved with the company, and how I actually made money with it by just promoting it, by just talking about it. What I did was make YouTube videos, right, on this channel and my other Make Money Online channel, right? I just posted videos talking about the opportunity. On this channel, I talk about the products. I review the products, all right? And then I would post some Facebook Reels on my Facebook, you know, to drive attention to LiveGood. And I actually would just put like a little, I would put my LiveGood link in the description of my Reels, right? But that's all I did. Really, it's one of my opportunities that I personally think you should approach people in the, you know, into the whole health and wellness thing. But this is an opportunity that business seekers, those that's looking to earn some extra money, they might like, you know, LiveGood, but definitely anybody who's into that better living, health and wellness, they should find LiveGood very appealing. And mainly because the products are actually good. And that's the thing with so many companies in the past, like their products be shit. Like they'll be just like cookie cutter products that are super expensive. And that's where LiveGood came into the game, and they changing the game, right? They're making the products very, very affordable, and they're just charging a $10 a month membership to get access to it. Just like how Sam's Club and all these other membership stores and programs do. That's all they did. And it's very, very successful. Another thing that really impressed me about LiveGood is the fact that in just over 2 years of being around, they have almost 2 million members in LiveGood. 2 million, right? So the company is growing, still growing rapidly. And the way this is going, this company is probably going to hit 4 or 5 million people in the next few years. And if you are somebody who's trying to actually earn some extra cash from this opportunity, like this is the time to get involved and start promoting it. Start taking the products, reviewing the products, and, you know, just putting your links out there, because this is an opportunity that I rock with and I plan on being a part of for a long ass time. All right. So if you want to check out the LiveGood opportunity or the products, both of those links will be in the description, and hopefully I will see you on the team.